Hey, how's it going, everybody? It's your favorite entrepreneur and speaker, Krishna Waller, and today I'm back with another video showing you guys how to set up your AdWords in Google Merchant Center. So that way you can upload all your products from your store to your Merchant Center account and run your ads on your Google AdWords account. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. If you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button and hit this like button. You guys are about to make tons of profit off Google Shopping, so that's the least you can do. Appreciate you guys so much. Let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys want to do is go to adwords.google.com, or you can go to ads.google.com, and it's going to say start now. You're going to click start now and sign into the Gmail that you're going to be using for this Google Ads account. You're going to go ahead and get to a page that's going to look like this, or it's going to look white and blue, and you'll see this button called skip the guided setup. If you're not on a screen that looks like this, you're going to be on a different screen that's going to have a white background, and the skip the guided setup button should be more closer to the top. You're going to click that button. And after you click the skip the guided setup, it's going to bring you here to actually show you that you can go ahead and create a campaign. You're going to click skip and create a campaign later. Then it's going to ask you for your billing business information. It's going to ask for billing country, time zone, all this stuff. You want to just submit. And then congrats, you're all done, and you want to explore your account. Okay, great. So your AdWords account is set up. So now next what we want to do is we want to go to merchants.google.com, and then you're going to get to a page that looks like this, and you're going to just click sign up. It's going to ask you for your website store name, so I'm going to put this information in and click continue. Let me pause this real quick. So after you just put in your site information and you also put the country that you're located in, you're going to click next, and you're going to be on the terms and condition page. You're going to just click yes, I agree, and then you'll go ahead and click this continue button. Awesome. Then you're going to get to a page that looks like this, and what they want you to do is basically put a piece of code into your website, a piece of HTML code into your website, so that way they can go ahead and verify that the URL and the website that you're claiming is yours, they can verify that it is, and they'll go ahead and sync your Google Merchant Center with your actual website and connect it together. So what I usually do is I usually actually use the HTML tag. So I just click this here down below. Awesome. I just copy and paste it, and I'll paste this into the header of my site. It says copy and put it in the head section before the body section. So give me 1 second. All right, great guys. So once you go ahead and you come to this page here, it's going to ask you to put it in the header, and we're going to go to the header. Awesome. And you'll go to online store, you'll click actions, and after you click actions, you want to click edit code. So we're going to click edit code. We already did that, so now we're here where it's now saying we can edit the code. Clicked on theme.liquid, and then I went under the head, I clicked enter, and I just copied and pasted this, and I erased all spaces just like that, and I went ahead and clicked the save button. So I've already done that, so let me erase that, and I just click save. Then I went back over to the to verify the URL. I clicked the verify URL button, and everything got verified. So after you came back to the Merchant Center tab and you clicked verify URL, and it'll say verified and 2 green checks, then now you're going to actually go ahead and download the apps necessary. But there's one step that I did forget to tell you guys about, and that's basically how to just go ahead and set up the payment methods in Google Ads, because this is very important. So you want to make sure you have you go to your Google Ads tab and go to tools and go to billing and payments, and this is how you add your payment methods and put in your information and stuff like that for your for your credit card information. So we're going to come back over to the Merchant Center, and this is all set up. One thing that you want to make sure you do is go to tax, do configure no nexus state, the middle one, then go to shipping. So you want to call this free shipping. You can do this for any country you want to run your ads to. So if you want to run your ads to USA, which I usually do first, then I add the other states later. I'll do United States. I'll select the cutoff time. I just select 12 a.m. I scroll down to Eastern Central Time. Time for deliveries, I just do 1 to 3. Then I just click 3 to 7 since I'm drop shipping. Then I'll scroll down. I skip this and go to shipping rates. I click the plus sign. All products. Then I type in free shipping again. I do free shipping on all my stores. Create shipping for all products. Click $0.0. Continue and save. You can do that for any other states that you want to go ahead and have for your store. And last but not least, the next thing that I want you guys to do is, in order to go ahead and link this to your AdWords account, all you need to do is just click this, click account linking. And right now it's just giving us a little error. Sometimes this does happen, but all you're going to do is connect a Google account. So I don't know why it's saying this. Oh, so if you get an error here, usually you'll just see a button. It'll say click here to link or whatever. So in order to fix, sometimes they'll give you this error, and we could just sign out to troubleshoot it. But I'm not going to do all that right now. You're just going to click link here. You want to make sure you do that because it is important. If you don't see it, don't worry about it. You try the next day and you should see it. If I sign out right now, I don't feel like doing all of that. But if you just sign out and sign back in, or maybe do it in a private browser, just do that in a private browser and it should pop up. All right. The next thing that you want to do is come back onto your Shopify store, go to apps, and you want to download 2 apps. You want to download the app. What is this app going to be called? Google Shopping. You don't want this app. You don't want that app. You want Google Shopping feed. Great. I just got it to show up. So after you click on the Google Shopping feed app, you want to go ahead and install it. And then it's going to say sign into your Google account. So you just click sign in and you sign into that. So once you sign in, it's going to tell you to allow access to the email address for your Google AdWords account. And you're just going to allow the access. Then it's going to come up to select the Google merchant account here. So we're going to select this merchant account. Let me just double check this is the right merchant account number. Okay, awesome, it is. And I'm going to confirm. And now it says we're verifying the domain. We already did that. So it's just going to verify that. Domain verified. We're verifying the shipping information. We already verified the shipping info. So that's going to clear. Once we get here, what we're going to do is we're going to come down here. We're going to click submit as a custom product. The gender, unisex, default age group. Most products are adult, unless you have like a baby or kid clothing store or a kid product store, something like that. But majority of people's products are adult. So if your majority of your products are not adults, then I wouldn't select adult. You could leave it blank, but you'll see why this is important after I go to the next step. So you click adult, and then you click what do you click next? And then for default Google product category, if your store is not a niche store, you don't need to put this because it's going to put the same category for each product, and each product is different, especially if you're not doing like a niche store or a store that's really catered around only a couple of products or one product. So you want to leave this blank. So submit product as custom product, unisex, adult, save that. You want to come up here and you want to what needs to include in the feed. Do all products, or you can do select a collection. if you want to just do only a certain collection that you want to run ads on. So do all products, product titles, just depending on how you want to have your store. I would really suggest doing the search optimized title, and I'll show you guys a reason why. And also the description, you can just leave the regular product description. Then you want variant, do first variant, unless you want all the variants of all your products to be uploaded. I just do first variant, and then I'll just do sync. So now we already saved this, and now we're syncing the products. So we're syncing that. So while the product feed is uploading all the products and stuff like that, I want to show you guys exactly why I selected for it to optimize for the search engine title instead of the title here. Because on your product page, you may not want to have your product so long, so that way it won't take up so much space on the product page as your customers sliding down on their phone or on the website. You don't want the title to take up so much of the page. So for example, this is a magnetic eyelashes. So the false eyelashes, magnetic lashes, double magnet. So you might want this to be the SEO aspect, because you may have done your keyword research with the Keywords Everywhere tool that I provide you guys in the description box below. So for example, for this, you may want to just call it magnetic eyelashes. All right, but then you'll come down here, then you'll edit the SEO, and you'll change this, and you'll put all that in. So this is what's going to show on the Google Shopping listing. So, and what I do is I download the Keywords Everywhere tool, and let's see something real quick. So here's my magnetic eyelashes. And this is just giving us a whole bunch of keywords that we can use, that we can look at, that we can see, like for example, false eyelashes, magnetic eyelashes, DIY. You don't want to include like Amazon, Ardell, Target, Walmart. You don't want to include none of those stuff. So we just look at different stuff. So what I already had there was pretty good. So I'll just come here, false eyelashes, magnetic lashes, double magnet. So this is just really specific, rather than if you just do magnetic eyelashes, you're not going to really be able to get a big enough reach, and it's not specific enough to really target your audience all the way down. Okay, and for description, you don't want to use these type of descriptions. I'm actually going to switch this up, but you don't want to use these type of descriptions. You want to use a detailed description, and however you get that description. If you want to go get some inspiration from another website, that's what I would suggest to start off. Until you start getting good at writing descriptions, you can go to places like Amazon, or if you want to just click on a different ad up here, you can definitely do that. Like one I can see that's very popular is this 1-2 Cosmetic, and if you click on it, you could check out their product description and just see how it is, and then and just don't copy and paste, but just paste it into a Word document, change up some stuff about it, and then paste it into your and then just save it. And there you go. So then we come here, and as you can see, all the products are submitted. But what we want to do is we want to select here. We want to do bulk action for all products, and then select age group. We already selected age group, so we don't need to do that. We want to do bulk action, and you want to do set product condition. And set it for new. apply that to all. Select all. Bulk action. We want to do. We already did gender. We already did age. And we already did this as well. 1 second. Okay, so and then we already did gender. We already did. So now we want to go in, and you're gonna have to set all the Google product categories. So let's do the same example. So we're going to do the magnetic eyelashes. So we already did the condition, we already did the gender, we already did the age group, and we already submit all as custom product. So all we're doing is we're going into each product and we're selecting the category. This is eyelashes, so I'm going to do eyelashes. So if I type in eyelashes, I see health and beauty, personal care, cosmetics, makeup, eye makeup, false eyelashes. So that's the closest category to my product. So I'm just going to select that. You want to make sure it's all the way targeted down as much as possible for your category. And then you'll come down or up here, you'll update it. And then after you update it, for it to be submitted with all the changes and everything, you want to make sure you click publish this product. And there you go. That's really the majority of what you need to do to have everything connected. Then let's see. Then you should come to your merchant center. If you click account issues, no AdWords link, so we need to add. So let me sign out and sign back in. So yeah, right now it's not allowing me to go ahead and link my AdWords account, but that's really simple. Within a day, you should see, if you go to products, you should see some products under list. And in order to go ahead and start running the ads, you want to make sure that you check diagnostic, and it should say 100% of your products are approved. And then you can go ahead and watch my other video where I tell you exactly how to run your Google Shopping campaign. Just follow that video and you can go ahead and start testing all your products or do your single product campaigns. Go ahead and get your ads running, go ahead and get your sales. And you can also check my other video where I got $700 in sales with Google Shopping in 2 days. Also, I'll have that down below and all the resources that I used in this video. I appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I'm going to be posting a lot of dope content. If you guys like this, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And ask me any questions. Tell me what videos you guys want to see next. I want to help you guys out. Appreciate you guys for watching and subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.